In this short video, I'm going to show you how to set up Feedreader. Feedreader is an RSS feed reader. It's free, easily downloadable, easy to install, and has the added benefit that it can actually be run from a USB flash drive, so it's portable as well. So the first thing you need to do is open your web browser and go to a search engine. I've chosen Google. And if you just type in Feedreader and hit the search, and you can see that generally it will be the top hit on the returns. If you just click on Feedreader, and when you get to the Feedreader page, if you go to the section that says download and click there, and this will take you to the download page. You can see here at the top there's a download Feedreader section. If you click on the download installer, and depending on your browser you may be asked to save the file to a location, or it may just automatically save it. I've been asked to save the file, so I've saved the file, and my browser has now gone away and it's downloaded that file. Because I'm using Firefox, I can actually double click this file from here, and it's telling me here that it's an executable and do I want to open it, and I'm quite happy to open this file, so I'm just going to say OK. It's now asking me if I want to run the file, and if I say yes, run it, it's perfectly safe. And it's now asking me what language I want to install, and if I click the down arrow you can see here that there's all sorts of languages in there, but I obviously want English, and I'm going to click OK. And we're now on the installation wizard, and if I just click next to install, now it's giving me the license agreement. You should read the license agreement, make sure you're happy with it, and then when you are, if you are, click I accept and click next. It's now asking me where I want to install, and in this instance I'm actually going to install it on my hard drive, so I'm just going to select the default here, and it's telling me it already exists, and that's because I've already got it installed, but this won't necessarily pop up when you install it. In fact it won't, because you won't have installed it before, so you won't get this option. I'm just going to overwrite and say yes, and it's asking me what I want to call this program in the shortcuts menu, and I'm going to just leave it at Feedreader, the default. You can too. There's a few options here. I have the option to configure the software to run on a portable disk. I'm going to run from my hard drive, so I don't need to put that option in today. You may if you want to run it on a portable disk. I have the other two options of create a desktop icon, which I do want to create, so I'll click that one. And I also want to create a quick launch icon. This is the small icon that will appear in the bottom left of your screen beside your start button. If I now click next, and this is just a summary of what's about to happen, the installation. I click install, and the application should install. And once the application is installed, it should automatically start up. And you can see the application starting up here. It's actually installed down the bottom here, so I'm just going to click on it to make sure I get it, and you can see here that I have some RSS feeds installed. I've got some educational material, I have some news. If I click on my arrow here, you can see that I have a couple of news feeds, and I've got some technology feeds coming in as well. If I click on one of these, I can see the feeds that have come in, and this will automatically update every time a new item is put into any of these feeds. I'm going to leave this video here just now, and we will look at adding feeds to Feedreader in the next video.